29th, 2022, ammo shortage in Alaska. Today we're in the beautiful city, Wasilla, Alaska, which is roughly about 30 to 45 minutes north of Anchorage. This is the same city where we had our last gun show video. If you guys remember that, we had the gun show video, the gun show at the local Wasilla High School. So today we're at the Sportsman's Warehouse. It's been a long time. I think it's been almost 3-4 months since I've been to this particular Sportsman's Warehouse. Let's go see what kind of ammunition, what kind of inventory they have, and let's go check out what kind of prices do they have for us today. Beautiful quiet afternoon here. Not that many people. It's early afternoon, around 1 p.m. Look at that lion and the zebra. These 30 mags MFT are running $10. So this place here, Wasilla, this city, they do have sales tax. I think it's like 8% or something like that. $19, $18 for PMAC 30s, Gen 2s, Gen 3s. Take a look at that, guys. They got a pretty nice wall here. All right, let's go through their selection. They got lots of self-defense, 9mm, 380 auto. These are all like hollow tips. Yeah, a bunch of hard case, hard cast. Yeah, lots of 9mm, but these aren't your typical target range. You don't want to be going to the target range shooting these. They're super expensive. 380 super auto, 40 Smith & Wesson. Bunch of 10mm, bunch of Gold Dot 45. These are all good ammo, guys. Super good ammo, but man, these are not your ideal ammo to be shooting on. Bunch of 223s. These guys are $15. Typical Winchester. Not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all. 224. 22, 250, $28. 6mm Creedmoor. 223 match. 6mm 2506. Some 260. 76254. 300 blackout. Some 308 right here. Some regular 308 right here. Ooh, check this out, guys. Sorry, no gun primer in stock, so no primer. But look at this, they do have some powder. I don't reload, so I'm not a powder expert, so please don't bash me in the comments. If you guys want to inform me what kind of powder these are, 231, 244, the group. So we got some powder here, guys, for my folks who like to reload out there. And looks like we got some bullets. Yeah, plenty of bullets here. These are 500, 250 counts, a little bit of 40 cal, 9mm, 38, 9mm. Yeah, so tons of bullets. Even the Sportsman's in Anchorage have bullets. This one has primer, or a small selection, but no primer. And some brass here. This is the going rate for brass, 9mm, 250, 250 count, $64. Gonna wrap up today's ammo shortage here in the city of Wasilla, Alaska. They had a pretty nice selection, but not what we're looking for. Price range is very comparable to the big city, Anchorage. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Comment down below status of your city. Bye-bye.